Hello everyone, let's prevent a solution given this nice exponential equation. And given that 4 raised to the power x plus 1 can be expressed as x minus 1 plus 2. Okay, so let's substitute this. Let's substitute x minus 1 plus 2. So we'll have 4 raised to the power x plus 1. We substitute with this. So we'll have x minus 1 plus 2. Subtract 4 raised to the power x minus 1. This is equal to 8. Okay. Now from what we have here, 4 raised to the power x minus 1 plus 2. This is in the form of a raised to the power n plus m, which we can convert to a raised to the power n multiplied by a raised to the power m. So let's apply this property. So we're going to have 4 raised to the power x minus 1 multiplied by 4 squared. Subtract 4 raised to the power x minus 1. This is equal to 80. Okay, 4 raised to the power x minus 1 here, it's common, so we factor out 4 raised to the power x minus 1. So this is 4 squared, which is 16. Subtract 1. This is equal to 80. Okay, now from what we have here, we have 4 raised to the power x minus 1 multiplied by, this is 16 minus 1, which is equal to 15. This is equal to 80. Okay, so we divide both signs by 15, so that we'll have 4 raised to the power x minus 1. This is equal to, let's simplify here by 5. This is 16 by 5 here. This is 3. So this is 16 divided by 3. Okay, now so for the value of x, we introduce the natural logarithm such that we're going to have log 4 raised to the power x minus 1. So we have that log 4 raised to the power x minus 1. This is equal to log, this is 16 divided by 3. Alright, now log 4 raised to the power x minus 1. This is in the form of log a raised to the power n m, which you can express as m. Okay, log a. Okay, so let's apply this property. So we have log a raised to the power m can be expressed as m log a. So let's apply this property, so that we're going to have x minus 1 log 4. Okay, so this is equal to log, this is 16 divided by 3. Okay, so from what we have here, if you check on the right hand side, log 16 over 3, this is in the form of log a divided by b, which can be expressed as log a subtract log b. Okay, so let's apply this property, so that we're going to have x minus 1 log 4. This is equal to log 16 subtract log 3. Okay, so we divide both sides by log 4, divide here by log 4, the same case here by log 4. Okay, so if you simplify this, we'll have x minus 1. This is equal to, now log 16. 16 can be expressed as 4 raised to the power 2. That is 4 squared. So that means this is log 4 squared divided by log 4 subtract log 3 divided by log 4. Okay, now from what we have here, this is x minus 1 log 4 squared. This is the same thing as 2 log 4 divided by log 4 subtract log 3 divided by log 4. Okay, now let's simplify here. We'll have x minus 1. This is equal to 2 subtract, now log 3 divided by log 4. This is in the form of log a divided by log b, which you can express as log a to base b. Okay, so let's apply this property. Now this is the same thing as log 3 to base 4. All right, now we'll have x is equal to, now negative 1, we take it on the right side. This is the same thing as 2 plus this 1 minus log 3 to base 4. Okay, so that x is equal to 2 plus 1, this is 3, subtract log 3 to base 4. Now this is the value of x. So let's verify. Okay, let's check if this value of x satisfies the equation. What we have here, we have 4 raised to power 3 minus log 3 to base 4 minus 1, which is the same thing as 4 raised to power 3 minus 1. This is 2. Subtract log 3 to base 4. This should give us a value of 16 divided by 3. Okay? So raised to power 2 minus log 3 to base 4. This is in the form of a raised to power n minus m, which you can express as a raised to power n divided by a raised to power m. So we're going to have 4 raised to power 2 divided by 4 raised to power log 3 to base 4. This should give us a value of 16 over 3. Okay? Now, if you check here, 4 squared, this is equal to 16 divided by, now 4 raised to power log 3 to base 4. This is in the form of m raised to power log a to base m, which is basically equal to a. Okay? So let's apply this property so that we're going to have 4 raised to power log 3 to base 4, which is basically equal to 3. So let's substitute this 3. So instead of 4 raised to power log 3 to base 4, let's substitute with this 3. So we're going to have 16 divided by 3 should be equal to 16 over 3. And it's true. Okay? This condition holds. So that means that the value of x, which is 3 minus log 3 to base 4, satisfies the equation. So thank you for watching. Follow the steps. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.